Hello everyone, I'm back again with another vowel sound and that is E, A, A. Okay, so today we are going to learn the sound of E, A. Okay, what is the sound of E, A? Okay, so listen and repeat this sound. First we will read 2 letter and then 3 letter as we did in A. Okay, so let's start. A, and a, and a, t, at, a, t, at, a, d, at, a, d, at. Okay, so first we will revise it once again. A, t, a, and a, t, at, a, d, at. Okay, now CVC words, 3 letter words. How we will read it? We know the sound of an. So, h, an, han, p, an, pan, m, an, man, t, an, tan. Once again, a, an. Okay, so h, an, han, p, an, pan, m, an, man, t, and tan. Now again the next one. At, at, p, at, pat, j, at, jet, v, at, wet, s, at, sat. Once again. At, at, p, at, pat, j, at, jet, w, at, wet, s, at, sat. Now next one is at, b, at, bat, r, at, rat, l, at, lat, and f, at, fat. Once again, b, at, bat, r, at, rat, l, at, lat, f, at, fat. So now exercise time. I hope you have learn it nicely. Now it's exercise time. So first what we have to do is we have to read the word. At, rat. What is written here? At, rat. Where is rat? It is here. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. Where is bat? Bat is here. P, and pan. P, and pan. H, and han. H, and han. J, at, jet. J, at, jet. This is not zet. This is j, at, jet. Okay, kids? So, revise it again and again I will come on another day with another vowel sound. Okay? Till then, bye-bye.